Hi there, Linda here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig right here. If you want to see how I went about washing it and restyling it, please keep on watching the tutorial. You can see that the lace area is a little bit bowed and the back is a little bit tangled. I'm going to show you how I wash it right about now. So first, I started by detangling the wig by brushing through it with my hairbrush while the hair was dry. Then I started pouring water all over the entire hair to wet it, and after wetting the hair, I applied this shampoo from Tresemme. I massaged the product all over the hair just to ensure that all parts of this wig get the shampoo. I continually wet the hair while I washed it to ensure that all the dirt that is trapped in the hair is washed off. I brushed through it a little bit while I was washing it. And after washing the hair, I rinsed it off and then I proceeded to apply my conditioner. I'm going to show you the two products which I use for the shampoo and the conditioner. So this is the shampoo right here, the green and black one, while the white one is the conditioner, and I'm using the anti-breakage conditioner from Tresemme. Apply the generous amount all over the hair from the tip all the way to the top of the hair. And after applying that conditioner all over the hair, I proceeded to add my keratin treatment all over the entire hair. And after I've applied a generous amount all over the hair and ensure that the entire product is spread all over evenly, I proceeded to apply my castor oil to the hair just to ensure that the strands are more healthy and the hair looks really beautiful when it's dry. So this is what the hair looks like right now. I'm just going to apply a full cover of the castor oil all over the wig, and after I've applied the castor oil all over the wig, I'm going to use my hairbrush to brush through it just to ensure that the product is well spread all over. And after brushing through the wig, what I'm going to do next is to put it in a microwave to heat it up to ensure that the hair really takes in the moisture from the conditioner and the leave-in conditioner and even the castor oil. And after I've heated it up in the microwave, I'm going to rinse it off and then air dry the wig, and I'm going to show you what the hair looks like after air drying it. This is what the wig looks like after it had air dried, and what I'm going to do next to start styling this wig. I know it has a very natural curl pattern, wavy curl pattern on it, but what I want to do is I want to add deeper curls to it. I want to make it look a bit like a deep wave. I'm going to apply my Moroccan argan oil serum and also spray the seed protectant spray all over this section of the hair that I cut out at the bottom part. I'm going to comb through the hair and start coiling small sections of the hair, and I'm using the smallest size of the coiling wand that I have. I'm twisting the hair all over the coiling wand. That's that small section of hair, and I'm going to hold that hair up there for a few seconds to almost 1 minute before I take it off. And this is what the curl pattern looks like, very beautiful and bouncy. I'm going to keep on doing this until I curl the hair all over the entire bottom part of this wig. If you're watching this tutorial right here and you're getting value out of it, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Share this video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. I would appreciate the like and the share and the subscribing so much. So back to the tutorial. I keep on cutting the hair in really small sections, and I twist the small section of the hair all over the coiling wand, and I hold it up there for a few minutes. And after the hair has taken the heat, I then release it from the coiling wand and let it drop. You can just pin it up there for a few minutes with your hair clip, but I just chose to release it because one thing I know about this particular curl pattern is that it lasts really long, unlike the regular curl pattern when you just twist your hair in between the external, what they call it, in between the barrel ones, like you twist it in a straight pattern. But for this particular one, I sort of roll the hair a bit, like I'm twisting the hair all around. I twist the hair in a way that it's almost like a rope. You know when you want to twist hair, you want to do like a twist. There's a way you roll the hair, and you now have two of those rolled hairs together and you're twisting it in between. They sort of join together to be tight. But for this one, I'm not twisting it against another hair. I'm twisting it on the hot coiling wand. That's the reason why I have this particular curl pattern that I have, and it is going to last a lot more longer, unlike the regular curl patterns that I typically do on my hairstyling videos. That's when I'm coiling hair. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, please check out my playlist on my hair tutorials. You're going to see a whole lot of videos that you're going to learn a whole lot from. So I'm going to link that playlist at the end of this video, so you could check out my hair playlist and you're going to learn a whole lot from our YouTube channel. Yeah, so after I finished coiling the bottom part of the hair, I proceeded towards the middle part towards the up part of the wig. It's a very repetitive process. You just notice that I clip away the hair that are the section I'm not working with, and then I start working on the sections that I have moisturized with my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, and also sprayed my heat protectant spray on. The reason why I moisturized my hair with the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum is just to ensure that the strands of the hair remain healthy, because your hair extension is prone to becoming dry, so it needs that moisture. It needs moisture from your moisturizers like the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum. And when you use your heat from your hot styling tools, it's necessary that you use your heat protectant spray to prevent the hair from getting too dry as a result of the excessive heat that is being used on it, or to even prevent the hair from becoming damaged from the excessive heat. So it's necessary that you invest in getting your heat protectant spray and your Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, or any other hair serum that you like. So back to coiling this hair, and on this area right here, you can see I'm still coiling the hair in the same pattern. I'm just twisting the hair all around the coiling wand, and after I've gotten to the tip of the hair, I just hold it up there and then I release the coils. And I'm going to keep on doing this until I finish this particular area that I've laid out to coil. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button if you haven't liked this video already, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also check out my business page on Instagram at ANL Beauty Hair and purchase wigs from me there, and follow me on my Instagram page at Linda Izemidolo. I'm also on TikTok. I'm just on Instagram and on TikTok. On Facebook, I barely remember to post, but just follow me on my social media pages, where I also share content there. I share my short form videos on my social media pages and some personal pictures and stuff once in a while. Yeah, so I'm done with styling the back of this wig, and what I want to style right now is the front of the wig. That's the closure area and a little bit of the hair that's still left on the side. What I'm going to do right about now is just cut the hair that is all over the closure area, and I'm going to apply that Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to the hair, and also spray my heat protectant spray, and then comb through the hair. Or you can comb through your hair first before spraying your heat protectant spray. It doesn't matter. Like, there's no clear cut out pattern that says, oh, you have to do this one first. You can do the hair heat protectant spray first, apply your Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, comb through the hair. The most important thing is everything gets done, and then you coil the hair and the hair comes out beautiful the way you want it to look. So we're going to keep on doing this process until we are done with coiling the entire hair that is all over the wig, and we are left with styling just the closure area. So I'm going to show you how I get to style the closure area to look really nice and beautiful. Yes, I really love how this curl pattern looks. It makes the hair look so fresh and clean and very healthy. I love how the curls are looking. So yes, we are almost done with coiling the hair right now. So what we are going to be working on is the closure area. What I'm going to do right now is to just comb through the hair, apply the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, and after applying the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum all over the hair, what I'm going to do next is spray that heat protectant spray, and then I'm going to open the pattern, because the pattern of this hair is styled to be a middle part. So I'm just opening up that part, and I'm combing through one side of the hair. I applied my hair wax just to lay any short flyaway hairs. I comb through the hair, then I'm using that hot coiling wand to straighten the hair and flatten the hair around the closure area. Take note, off camera I ventilated the bald spots around the closure area. So if you are revamping a client's wig or your wig, if you don't know how to ventilate bald spots in your wig, you can send them to me for wig revamp services. But if you know how to and you have bald spots on your wig, when you're about to wash them and restyle them, just reventilate it, and your wig is going to go back looking as fresh and new as it originally did when you first bought it. So you notice that I spray my heat protectant spray, and then I use this hot coiling one to flatten the hair around the closure area. Then I cut a small section of the hair and then twist it all around that hot coiling wand. I hold the hair up there for a few seconds to almost a minute, and then I take it off. And you can see how beautiful the coils are, really strong coils. Yes, so this is the last strand of hair we're going to coil right here. So I'm just going to twist the hair all around the coiling wand and then take it off after the hair has taken the heat. Yes. So what we're going to do next is to now style the closure properly. So what I'm going to do is just to comb through the hair and use the hot coiling one to sort of flatten the hair around the closure area. And I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. And for the back of the wig, I'm going to extend the hair around the closure area, just sort of combing it down to cover the wefts on the back, because if I don't do this step, the weft is going to be showing. So I'm just combing it through and just running the hot coiling wand all around the hair. Then next, I'm using the tip of that tail comb to just walk through the coils. I'm not combing it with a comb. I'm using the tail sort of separate the coil so that the wig looks fuller than it did after I just coiled it and left it. So I'm just separating the coils to the tail end of that comb, and after I'm done separating the coils with the end of that tail comb, this is what the wig looks like. Yeah, this is the finished look of the wig. If you loved how the wig turned out looking, let me know in the comment section. If you're going to try the same step which I did in this tutorial, let me know also in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And please, sis, bro, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Watch my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.